And for the final major dollar pairs today, we've got USD Swiss, USD Yen, and USD CAD. With USD Swiss on the daily time frame, we can see our break of structure and our current swing range. This high got liquidated before seeing that demand chain fail and start pushing price in towards the downside. On the daily, this supply zone is currently still in control and has the ability to push price in towards the downside. Moving down onto the 4-hour time frame, what we can see is we've had an initial break of structure where the demand chain failed on the daily, so then another break of structure creating that daily supply and our 4-hour swing range. We were looking last week at this high getting taken before seeing that drive in towards the downside. However, with the strength that is currently being seen this week in the dollar, we've seen this demand chain just keep pushing price in towards the upside. We did say yesterday that we wanted to see this demand zone hold, push price up to this point at least. We did see a sell-off on the back of the peace talk news. However, shorts only become valid for me once we break this demand zone to create a newly fresh supply, which we can then look for the shorts in towards the downside. If we move down onto the 1-hour time frame, what we can see is the trend is still holding and it will likely still push price in towards the upside. We've had a liquidation of this low. If we break fractal structure and the order flow, you could be looking to position yourself in the longs to target that high already this morning. Moving on to UJ, I'm not really looking to trade this pair. We've now made a connection with this supply zone, which has created a slowdown and a bit of a stall in price action. I am still favouring this to go up a little bit more, but I don't see us going much higher than this high due to the intervention risk. So it's not a pair I'm currently trading. Moving on to USD CAD on the daily time frame, this is our break of structure and this is our current swing range. We liquidated this high, seeing that nice strong sell-off in towards the downside. Moving down onto the 4-hour time frame, what we had after taking that high was a nice supply chain that was pushing price in towards the downside. However, this has now failed with a break of this high, and if we move down onto the 1-hour time frame, what we can see is a demand chain that's pushing price in towards the upside now with a demand zone here, another one here, pushing price constantly in towards the upside. We did say yesterday that we expect this demand zone to hold, and it has currently held even off the back of the poor news. I am expecting some further upside. The only downside I see is if a peace deal comes in.